field of Daytona International Speedway. We're gonna have a wild day. Hope you guys stick around. You enjoy it, trust me.
Turn right. Next road you come to.
Look, Henry's getting his directions. He got his flag and Harvick here on, man. Kevin Harvick crew noticed him somehow. And now look at them talking about him.
They're screening and they're going to empty everything out.
Okay.
Bags, pockets, everything.
Okay.
They're screening everything.
Alright.
Get in.
Alright, thank you.
I got you. Enjoy yourself.
Alright, thank you.
Hey man, I like that shirt.
Yeah, I like your guys' cars.
to visit the Daytona International Speedway.
Air Force Thunderbirds and to deliver the most famous words of motorsports at the Daytona 500. Please welcome this year's Grand Marshal, the 45th President of the United States of America. Daytona International Speedway, we love our country, and it's truly an honor to be with all of you in the great American race. Gentlemen, salute your engines.
Off the start right now. I think it's because they know that there's rain. They turned the lights back off, so let's see what happens.
Alright, so the rain delay is over. They get ready to start right now and drop the green flag. It wasn't that long, so here they come, coming down the backstretch right now.
Here at the World Center of Racing, NASCAR's most popular driver in his day, two-time Daytona 500 champion. He knows how to do things here at Daytona. He's been to Gatorade Victory Lane. Who is next? The nerves? Got a little bit more time to build up. The excitement, the anticipation, a high-speed game of chess. It's the Daytona 500, a game of inches that separates champions in second place.
Ricky Stenhouse Jr., the pole sitter.
Lights on the flag stand are out. The lights on the caution car is out.
Lead a field of 40 machines.
It is time.
31-degree banking of turns 3 and 4.
Here we go, baby. Here we go.
Seamus driving that 2020 Toyota Camry TRD race car. Race fans, are you ready?
Here we go! Let's go, let's go! Yo, when they say that it's electrifying, they are not lying. Man, I'm telling you, it's a whole different experience.
A few moments later.
Alex Weaver here at Daytona International Speedway, where the 62nd running of the annual Daytona 500 has been postponed due to weather. We've completed 20 laps where Ricky Stenhouse Jr. was the leader. The race will resume Monday at 4 p.m. on Fox.
Hey, you guys, it's Rush Brothers back, and we're supposed to be at the Daytona 500 today, but unfortunately, look at this rain. And it sounds like there's actually thunder now and lightning, which the race can't go on. And so what they did was postpone it for tomorrow, which is February 17th on Monday, and our flight is February 17th at 4 p.m. But the two intervened because that's the exact time that the Daytona 500 starts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push back our flight to Tuesday, and we're gonna go ahead and see this race. We came all the way from California. That's 2,500 miles. We're not going home without a race. And you guys stick around. Despite everything, it will be amazing. I promise you guys that.